Welcome back to the channel where we make simple tech tutorials that help you get the most out of your favorite apps. In today's video, we will show you how to turn the reduce motion setting on or off in the Canva app, a useful feature that... First, open the Canva app on your phone. Next, tap on the More option in the bottom menu. Then, go to Settings. After that, find Accessibility and open it. Then, scroll down until you find the Reduce Motion option in the list of settings. Tap on it, and you will be able to choose between turning Reduce Motion on or turning it off depending on your preference. Finally, select the option that works best for you, and your changes will be applied immediately without needing to restart the app. This feature is especially helpful if you prefer fewer animations or want a smoother and less distracting experience while using Canva. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.